the day when we went to SCP 3008. We found elephants and cheetahs and more. This is me. I tried but I can't. Ha ha ha. This is my sister, but she didn't drive well. And this is my dad, but he did a little bit better. I think no. Walk around and find stuffed animals and panda stuffed animals. Even shark plushies, astronauts, and tutus at work. And the poor doggy that fell in the trash. And another jumping game. And this bed is so cute because it's space. And we can't find the exit. Me and my mom got worried because it was the maze. There were no exit anywhere. After walking a lot and a lot, we found the exit. We really found it. We really found it. We really found it. After all, we got so much fun in IKEA. I got the stuffed animal and the world's yummiest hot dog in the world.